During my recent travels, I got to visit the tiny principality of Arch-Kanakri, a small island located in the middle of the Pacific, which has the unique distinction of being split by the international date line. Not only did I get to discover the beauty and charm of this rather unknown place, I also had the honor to be invited to the royal palace by none other than His Royal Highness Prince Marco, the heir to the throne of the principality. The prince showed me around the palace, from its glorious rose gardens to the palace's amazing kitchen, where next to many state dinners, the chefs also prepare the breakfasts, the lunches, and the dinners for the members of the House of Kanakri. Welcome to Cooking with Carlina, the Royal Edition. Your Highness, have you seen the show Bridgerton?
Yes, I have. It is very big on our side of the island.
It's also popular on the other side of the island, which has another time zone, so their premiere happened a day later.
And I'm going to savor it while I watch and have my aperitif.
Speaking of savoring, I have an amazing cocktail inspired from the show, given to me by none other than Lady Whistledown.
Wonderful.
Are you ready to try it?
I'm ready.
Amazing. So first I'm going to have you cut this lemon in half, straight down the middle, and then you're going to cut about a 1/2 inch. Yep. And then you're going to cut it straight down the middle again. And then you're going to garnish it on our martini glasses because we are making the tone martini. Do you see what I did there?
Wonderful.
All right. So first you're going to take this 1.5 ounce of London dry gin. That's what Lady Whistledown suggests. I'm about a 1 ounce, but you know what? We're going to go big, like Lady Whistledown. You know, just when she's giving gossip, it's always had a ball. So they always have a drink in their hand if they're not dancing.
Wonderful.
So then this is 2 and 3 ounces.
Wow.
So do you plan to make this drink, Prince Marco, or?
I'm very tempted.
I
am very tempted.
So then we have the dry vermouth, and you're going to put 2 ounces in there. All right, and then we have some orange bitters, and you're going to do 2 dashes per person. So we're going to do 4 dashes. And then we're going to take the top, make sure it's on there. All right, thank you. And then I think you have the strainer, so you're going to hold this over the martini, and I'm going to martini glass. Shake, 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 shake. And then I can't wait for you to try. Well, you know, it's daytime, so we're not going to have too much to drink, as you saw I had.
We're going to have moderation.
Yeah, we're going to have moderation here. What do you think?
It's wonderful. It's light. It's citrus.
Thank you so much for having me, Your Highness.
Thank you.
And thank you to the wonderful people of Arch-Kanakri. If you want to learn more about Arch-Kanakri and His Highness, follow him on Instagram. If you want to learn more about this recipe and me, follow me at Cooking with Carlina. And don't forget to watch Bridgerton on Netflix.
Santé.
Salty.